Struggling with UI that feels like a jigsaw puzzle? Jetpack Compose's declarative UI feels like magic, but integrating Room databases, retrofit APIs, and Play Store deployments can turn your dream into a nightmare. This pack delivers hands-on mastery of Jetpack Compose animations, Room schema migrations, retrofit coroutines integration, and Play Store release tracks, all with real-world code bases. Whether you're a junior Android dev drowning in XML layouts, a cross platform engineer battling fragmented tooling, or a solo founder racing to launch, this is your escape hatch. No more XML tantrums or Gradle gremlins, just smooth, scalable apps that actually ship. Here's what's inside the Android-Kotlin-Pack. Dive into Jetpack Compose's state management with sealed class UI models. Build offline first apps with Room databases using type converters and DAO relationships. Streamline REST APIs with retrofit, OK HTTP interceptors, and coroutines. Master Play Store asset delivery with Android app bundles and internal testing tracks. Each phase comes with working code templates, performance benchmarks, and progress checklists. And it works everywhere: Claude Code, Cursor, Gemini CLI, Windsurf, Copilot, Warp, and more. From empty project to production ready, this is the roadmap your team needs. Installing the Android Kotlin pack takes one command: npx quanta-skills add android-kotlin-pack. That's it. You'll download the full workflow: compose theming modules, Room migration scripts, retrofit API blueprints, and Play Store pre-launch checklists. Your next Claude code session picks it up automatically. Your AI assistant now knows Kotlin patterns, Compose best practices, and Google Play policies. No Gradle sync marathons, just pure, unadulterated coding bliss. Ship faster, stress less, and finally beat that deadline.